गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, मस्त मजे कर रहे होंगे। चलो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम सो वी विल स्टार्ट टुडेस आवर क्लास 10th एनसीईआरटी चैप्टर 4 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन exercise 4.1 introduction. So quadratic equation in class 9th we have studied quadratic polynomial. So just we will recall it. What is quadratic polynomial? Okay, see here. Quadratic polynomial, the quadratic polynomial in x variable we have studied, so we can write as a p of x, means polynomial in x variable. An expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c is said to be a quadratic polynomial, but there is a condition, that is where a, b and c are real numbers and the coefficient of x square, that is a, is not equal to 0. So such expression is called as a quadratic polynomial. If we equate this quadratic polynomial to 0, so what will happen? Equate to 0. अगर हमने इस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल को अगर 0 के बराबर किया है तो हमारे पास क्या कैसा इक्वेशन मिलेगा? That is ax square plus bx plus c will be is equal to 0. So this equation is called as a quadratic equation. An equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c will be is equal to 0. And what about the condition for this a, b, c? Same condition, where a, b and c are real numbers and the coefficient of x square, that is a, is not equal to 0. But why this equation is called as a quadratic equation? Is there any reason? Yes. Highest power of variable x is 2. यहाँ पे जो भी वेरिएबल है x या y, उसका पावर कितना रहना चाहिए? हाईएस्ट पावर 2, तभी तो जाके हम उसको बोल सकते हैं कि वो एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है। नहीं तो हम ऐसे दूसरे वर्ड में भी बोल सकते हैं इसको, डिग्री विल बी 2. If any equation having degree is 2, then such equation is said to be a quadratic equation. So let us see some examples. A will be is equal to 1, b will be is equal to 2 and c will be is equal to 6. So what we will get here? Ax square means 1x square, which is equal to x square, plus bx means 2 into x, 2x, plus c is 6, which is equal to 0. This is the one of the quadratic equation. Now one more. A is equal to 2, b will be is equal to 3 and c will be is equal to 11. So now what type of quadratic equation we will get? Ax square means 2x square plus bx means 3 into x, that is 3x, plus c, the constant term, that is 11, which is equal to 0. So this is also one of the quadratic equation, because here the highest power of x is 2, or we can say as a degree is 2. So that's why this equation also called as a quadratic equation. Now if we take all the values 0, so what will happen? A equal to 0, b also equal to 0 and c also equal to 0. So then what we will get here? 0 will be is equal to 0. This is not possible. So if we said that in the definition a is not equal to 0. So if a is equal to 0, so then what we will get? A equal to 0 and b will be is equal to 1 and c will be is equal to 3. So what we will get? Ax square means 0x square, we will get 0, so no need to write. Next bx means 1 into x, so that is x, and plus 3 will be is equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation, because here the highest power of variable is 1, but our definition says that highest power of variable, that x or y, whatever it is 2, or in other words we can say that degree is 2, but यहाँ पे इसका डिग्री कितना है? Here the degree is 1, means the degree is not equal to 2. So that's why this equation is not quadratic equation. I hope you all understood the introduction part. So now we will have some examples based on this introduction. So before proceeding to the examples, Please pause the video to note it down. Okay, so this is the first example, that is represent the following situations mathematically. यानी हमें इस situation को quadratic equation में form करना है. So this is the first example and first sub question, that is John and Jeevanti. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. John और जीवंती दोनों को मिलाकर उनके पास कितने मार्बल्स है? 45. Both of them lost 5 marbles. अगर एक एक ने 5 मार्बल्स को खो दिया है, so then the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Means after losing 5 marbles each, the product is given 124. So now we would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So उन्हें कितने मार्बल के साथ शुरू करना होगा, ये हमें फाइंड करना है. वेरी सिंपल, सी द सॉल्यूशन. जॉन प्लस जीवंती, ये दोनों को मिला के उनके पास कितने मार्बल्स हैं? 45. बट एक के पास कितने मार्बल्स हैं हमें पता ही नहीं है ना. सो वी विल टेक, let John having x marbles. So what we will get? See, let the John having x marbles. अगर जॉन के पास x मार्बल्स है तो जीवंत के पास कितने मार्बल्स हो जाएंगे? देखो, जीवंती हैविंग, सो दोनों को मिला के 45 है. सो यहाँ पे जॉन के x है तो यहाँ का प्लस x उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. सो जीवंती हैविंग 45 माइनस x मार्बल्स. ओके, अगर जॉन के पास x मार्बल्स है तो जीवंती के पास कितने हो जाएंगे? 45 माइनस x. नाउ बोथ ऑफ देम लॉस्ट 5 मार्बल्स. यहाँ पे हर एक ने 5 मार्बल्स को खो दिया है. They lost 5 marbles each. यहाँ पे जॉन और जीवंती ने 5 मार्बल्स को खो दिया है. तो अभी खोने के बाद और उनके पास कितने मार्बल्स रहेंगे? सो फर्स्ट वन जॉन. सो जॉन विल हैव x minus 5 marbles and जीवंती विल हैव 45 minus x and they lost 5 marbles, so subtract 5, so we will get 45 minus 40. So 45 minus 5 is 40 and minus x. Means after losing 5 marbles each, John having x minus 5 marbles and Jeevanti having 40 minus x marbles. Now the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Means after losing 5 marbles each, the product is given 124. So according to question ATQ, so x minus 5 times 40 minus x, so the product is given 124. Now it is a multiplication of binomial by binomial. So x into 40, 40x, x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus. Next 5 into 40, so that is 200, minus into plus, minus. Now 5 into x, 5x, and minus into minus plus will be equal to 124. Now minus x square plus 40x plus 5x. So answer is plus 45x minus 200. Now here RHS is plus 124, bring to the LHS, so it becomes minus 124 and the RHS will be 0. Next minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 124. So both the numbers are having the same sign, so we will add the numbers and we will put the same number. 200 plus 124, so that is 324, and put the same sign, so that is minus will be equal to 0. So now here the x coefficient cannot be negative, so we will multiply by minus 1. Here multiply by minus 1, so what we will get here? x square minus 45x plus 324 will be equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Sir, why it is a quadratic equation? Because we can see that here the degree is 2, highest power of variable is 2. So that's why this equation is said to be a quadratic equation. But again what is given, we would like to find out how many marbles they had to start, यानी उनको कितने मार्बल से स्टार्ट करना होगा, ये भी हमें फाइंड करना है. बट एक्चुअली हमारा मेन क्वेश्चन क्या है कि इस सिचुएशन को मैथमेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है, बट हमने वो भी सॉल्व कर देंगे अभी. सो दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, x square minus 45x plus 324 will be equal to 0. You all knows that splitting the middle term. So but here the number is 304, very big. So there are some students, they don't know how to split. So very simple method I will tell you. We have to find the prime factorization of 324. So let us do here prime factorization of 324. 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next 3 table, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Next 3 9s are, next 3 3s are, next 3 1s are. From these prime factors we have to make a pair of numbers. When we do addition or subtraction, so our answer should be minus 45x. So how we will see here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 3 3s are 9. If we add 36 and 9, we are getting 45. Yes. So we got the two numbers. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 will be equal to 0. Now from first two numbers, from last two terms, in first two terms what is the common? X. So let us take x outside. So here we will get x minus 36. From the last two terms, what is the common? Minus 9. So here we will get x minus 36 will be equal to 0. And we have to remember that this bracket factor should be same. So take only one time x minus 36 and the another factor is x minus 9 will be equal to 0. So from here we will get x minus 36 equal to 0 or x minus 9 will be equal to 0. So here we will get x equal to 36 and here we will get x equal to 9. So we have taken x1 for whom? John having x marbles. So here there will be two conditions. So if John having 36 marbles, then Jivanti will have how much? Jivanti will have 45 minus x, means 45 minus 36. So we will get answer 9. So this is the one possibility. So there is one more possibility, that is or. If John having 9 marbles, then Jivanti will have how many marbles? 45 minus x, means 45 minus 9, so that is 36. So these are the two possibilities to start this. Okay, so this is the final answer. I hope you all understood very well. So before proceeding into the next example, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, now example 1, the second sub question, that is a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. यहाँ पे एक cottage industry है, वो यहाँ पे कुछ toys को produce कर रहा है. But how many toys it is producing, we don't know. Next, the cost of production of each toy in rupees, यानी cost of production of each toy, यानी एक toy को बनाने के लिए उसका cost दिया है हमारे पास, was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. यानी cost of एक toy का दिया है हमारे पास 55 minus जितने toys उस दिन produce किया है. Next, on a particular day, एक special day के दिन, the total cost was found to be 750. okay, one particular day. So the total cost of production यानी पूरा production का cost दिया है 750. So now we would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day, यानी उस डे के दिन पूरे कितने टॉयज को प्रोड्यूस किया है उस कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने, हमें वो ही निकालना है. So we don't know how many toys produced in a day, so we have to take one variable. Very simple, see the answer. Let the number of toys produced in a day, उस दिन कितने टॉयज प्रोड्यूस किया उस कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने, हमें मालूम नहीं है. सो हमने मान लिया है x नंबर ऑफ टॉयज उस कंपनी उस इंडस्ट्री ने प्रोड्यूस किया है. बट द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टाई, यानी एक टाई को बनाने के लिए उसका कॉस्ट दिया है, तो वो कितना है? द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, यानी एक टॉय को बनाने के लिए खर्चा जितना आता है वो दिया है. हाउ मच गिवन? 55 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डे, यानी 55 माइनस नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डे, यानी उस दिन कितने टॉयज को प्रोड्यूस किया है उसको माइनस करना है. सो वी हैव टेकन हाउ मेनी टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द डे? x. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय विल बी 55 माइनस x. सो नाउ अभी टोटल प्रोडक्शन भी दिया है हमारे पास, कितना दिया है? 750. सो टोटल प्रोडक्शन कैसे मिलेगा हमारे पास? द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डे मल्टीप्लाई द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, तो हमें क्या देगा? टोटल कॉस्ट देगा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x into 55 minus x, सो टोटल प्रोडक्शन हमारे पास कितना दिया है? ₹750. So now we have to simplify. So it is a multiplication of monomial by binomial. X into 55, 55x, x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus will be is equal to 750. So these all the LHS terms sent to the RHS. So here minus x square, that side sending so plus x square. Here 55x, that side sending so minus 55x. And here 750 will be as it is, and LHS will be 0, so that is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Sir, why it is a quadratic equation? Because the degree is 2, so that's why this equation is said to be a quadratic equation. But what we have to do? We would like to find out the number of toys produced in a day, यानी उस particular दिन तो पूरे कितने टॉयज को इस कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने प्रोड्यूस किया है वो हमें निकालना है. वेरी सिंपल. सो अगेन सेम, स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. सो लेट अस राइट वंस अगेन x square minus 55x plus 750 will be equal to 0. So splitting the middle term. So here the number is big, 750. So अभी बताया था मैंने, जब बड़ा नंबर रहता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? उस नंबर का हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालते हैं और उस फैक्टर में से हम ऐसे दो नंबर्स ढूंढते हैं, यानी दो नंबर का पेयर बनाते हैं ताकि हमारा एडिशन हो या सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो हमारे पास आंसर -55 होना चाहिए. सो लेट अस फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 750. 2 3 जा 6, 2 7 जा 14 and 2 5 जा 0. Next 3 table. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6 and 3 5 जा 15. Now 5 table. 5 2 जा 10 and 5 5 जा 25. Next 5 5 जा 25 and next 5 1 जा 5. Now इस प्राइम फैक्टर में से हमें दो पेयर्स बनाना है नंबर का जोड़ी, ताकि जब उनको एडिशन करो या सब्ट्रैक्शन करो तो हमारा आंसर -55x आना चाहिए. चलो अब ढूंढते हैं. 2 3 जा 6 and 6 5 जा 30 and 5 5 जा 25. So 30 plus 25, 55 आ रहा है क्या? यस, इन दोनों को प्लस करने से हमारे पास 55 आ रहा है, यानी ये दो नंबर हमारे लिए सफिशिएंट है. चलो हम लिखते हैं, अब इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे. x स्क्वायर माइनस 30x माइनस 25x प्लस 750 will be equal to 0. So now from first two terms, from last two terms, let us take the common. From first two terms, what is the common? X. So let us take outside. So we will get here x minus 30. Now from last two terms, what is the common? Minus 25 is the common. So here what we will get? X minus 30 will be equal to 0. Again, here we have to check that bracket factor should be same. X minus 30, X minus 30. Yes. So let us take only one time. X minus 30 and the another factor is X minus 25 will be equal to 0. So from here we will get either X minus 30 will be equal to 0 or X minus 25 will be equal to 0. So यहाँ पे X का वैल्यू 30 हो जाएगा और यहाँ से X का वैल्यू 25 हो जाएगा. बट हमें क्या फाइंड करना था? फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन दैट डे, यानी उस दिन उस कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने कितने टॉयज को प्रोड्यूस किया है. या तो वो 30 किया होगा या तो 25. यही है हमारा फाइनल आंसर. सो लिखते हैं देयरफॉर द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज produced on that day is 30 और 25. या तो उस दिन वो 30 टॉयज को प्रोड्यूस किया हो या तो 25. So this is the final answer. I hope you all understood very well. So before proceeding into the next question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay students, so this is the second example of this exercise in the introduction part. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. यानी हमें चेक करना है कि ये जो दिए हुए इक्वेशंस है वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस है या नहीं, हमें चेक करना है. सो वेरी सिंपल, हमें मालूम है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है? ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c विल बी इक्वल टू 0. कोई भी इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में रहेगा उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे abc क्या है? a b एंड c ये सारे क्या है? रियल नंबर्स है, यानी बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर, एंड ये 0 के बराबर नहीं होना, ये कंडीशन है. चलो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट पार्ट, x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 विल बी इज इक्वल टू 2x माइनस 3. So see, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So let us write a plus b whole square form. That is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So a square means x square. So that is x square plus twice ab, 2ab, 2 into x into 2. So that is 4x plus b square, that is 2 square means 4, and here plus 1 as it is will be is equal to 2x minus 3. Next, x square plus 4x, 4 plus 1 5, and this all the RHS terms bring to the LHS. Here plus 2x, this side coming so minus 2x, here minus 3, this side coming so plus 3, and RHS will be 0. Next, x square plus 4x minus 2x, so answer is plus 2x, and 5 plus 3 8, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation or not? Yes, it is a quadratic equation because the degree is a 2. Yes, it is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2. So this is the first part. Next, second part, x times x plus 1 plus 8 will be is equal to x plus 2 x minus 2. So let us simplify. It is a multiplication of monomial by binomial. X into x, x square plus x into 1 x plus 8 will be is equal to. So here one formula is there, a plus b into a minus b. So the formula, let me write here, a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So directly we can write a square means x square, so that is x square, minus b square, so that is 2 square, 2 square is 4. So here x square will be cancelled. So now here we are having x plus 8. and in RHS minus 4 bring to this side, so it becomes plus 4 and RHS will be 0. So here what we will get, x plus 8 plus 4, so what is the answer, 12, which is equal to 0. So here we got the equation x plus 12 will be is equal to 0. So what is the highest power here, 1, means the degree is 1. So this is called as a quadratic equation? No. No, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Why it is not a quadratic equation? Because the degree is not 2. Here the degree is 1. So the degree is not equal to 2. So that's why this equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us solve the third question. Here only. Third part. X into 2x plus 3 will be is equal to x square plus 1. So it is again same multiplication of monomial by binomial. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3, 3x. And here this RHS terms bring to the LHS. So plus x square this side coming, so minus x square. Here plus 1 this side coming, so minus 1, and RHS will be 0. Now 2x square minus 1x square. So what we will get? X square. Next 3x will be as it is. Minus 1 will be is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation or not? We can compare with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? Because the degree is how much? 2. Highest power is 2. So that's why this equation is a quadratic equation. Now the last part we will see here. That is the fourth part. X plus 2 whole cube will be equal to x cube minus 4. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So what is the a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube formula is that a square plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is the a plus b whole cube formula. Let me revise. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now apply that formula. A cube means x ka cube, x cube, plus b cube means 2 ka cube. So 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So answer will be 8 plus 3a square b. 3 a square is what? X ka square, x square into b. What is the b? B is the 2. So what we will get answer? 2 3s are 6. 6 into x square, 6x square plus 3ab square. So 3 into a is what? X into b square. B is 2. 2 square is 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12 into x, 12x. So answer is 12x will be equal to x cube minus 4. So on the both side x cube, so we can cancel directly. So now 6x square plus 12x plus 8. In RHS we are having the minus 4, so bring to the LHS. So what we will get here? Plus 4 and RHS becomes 0. So now 6x square plus 12x plus 4 plus 8, 12, which is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now we have to compare with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. Yes, it is in the form of this one. Yes. So we can say that yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? Because the degree is 2. So this is a complete example 2 solutions. So I hope you all understood very well. So this is the complete introduction part of exercise 4.1. So we will see you in the solutions video. Till then, bye bye.